We are ready to start working on the next part of the game. The next part, after the zombie, is working on the bats. The bats do a zigzag movement up the screen and then a straight movement down. So I will select the bat icon for the sprite, and I will go to the event script. In the event script, I want when the flag is clicked for the bat to appear where it is right now. So I select when the flag is clicked, and I drag it and I put it into the code window. Then I go to the motion scripts and I choose the go to. I drag it to the code window and connect it to when the flag is clicked. My coordinates where I want my bat to start are 98, negative 124, so I make sure that it says go to X 99, negative 124. It's just about right, but here it says 99. I want it to say 98. So I'll go into the field and I will change it. Then I want the bat to move in a zigzag up the screen. So he can start by moving to right here. So I'll go to the glide and I will select it and connect it to the go to X code. I want the bat to glide in 1 second to its current position, which is 51, negative 61. Perfect. Then I want my bat to glide to the right and up. Then I will go back to the glide code, select it, and connect it to the previous glide code. That's perfect. He'll arrive at the location where he is now in 1 second, 100 and X 129 and Y 4. Let's do one more part of the zigzag. I'll have him go up and to the left. Then I go back to the glide code and I select it and drag it and connect it to the previous one. It'll make him glide to the position where he is now. So I look and I make sure that the coordinates are correct. X 74, Y 104. Perfect. Let's check to see how it works. I press on the green flag to get this game started. That's perfect. So my bat does a zigzag up to the top, but now I want him to move back to the bottom to his initial position. So I pick the glide in 1 second and I connect it to the previous glide. And then I manually enter his starting coordinates, which were X 98, Y negative 124. Let's press the green flag and see if the bat goes back down. That's perfect. The bat went zigzag up the screen and down once. In order for him to do it forever during the game, I need to go to the control scripts and select the forever loop. I place the forever loop in the code window and then I will select the glide codes and place it inside. Then I take the forever loop and I connect it to the go to code. That's perfect. Let's test it to see how it works. Great! In our game, we had 2 bats that did the exact same movement but with an offset. So what I will do is I will right-click on bat 2 and I will duplicate him. Now I have my sprite that's called bat 2 and my sprite that's called bat 3. Bat 3 has the exact same code as bat 2. So I can go into the control scripts and choose the wait. And what I will do is I will put for him wait 2 seconds before the forever loop and then the bat will have an offset. So I changed the 1 second to a 2. Let's take a look. Perfect. Now I want to save my progress.